let's do part 3, or I don't remember which part I am right now, but I want to beat the game right now. Like I said, I suck at freaking intro, so yeah. Knife 5. The last one save you from Wither Foxy, I know that. I knew the effect.
I have news. Very bad news.
Okay.
That pizza place? Animatronic bit off part of a child's head. Yeah. The child literally lost part of his brain. Doctors are trying to...
You're moving fast. Don't. At least give me a chance to hear that phone call.
Animatronics were created to amuse children.
Yes.
Not to kill them.
Yeah.
I think the boy himself climbed into the mouth of the robot. But why? It doesn't matter anyway. Looks like this is the end of Freddy Fazbear's entertainment.
Yeah. Is that it, dude? My lord. Well, here we go now. Oh, Balloon Boy, I need to remember that. 3 noises, flash him. Wait. Flash! Thank you. Thank you. That's the second noise. Oh boy. Yeah, Freddy, can you stay back for a while? I don't want to deal with you now. Oh! Wait, wait, hold on! Hold on, Balloon Bulap. Wait, dude. Wait, you said 3 noises, not 2. You. Oh boy. Well, I'm already screwed up, am I? Well. I'll be right back. Okay, I need to restart this because this didn't make any sense. I remember correctly, it was 3 noises that Balloon Boy makes, and then I can flash him, not 2. Wait. Oh wait, maybe I'm done. Yeah, maybe I'm done. Why do you look like you got pulled away? Well, Freddy's on the move, that's all I know. This Balloon Boy, I hurt you. Wind. Okay, that's the second noise. Okay, flash him. Thank you. There's one noise, a Balloon Boy. Ay! Okay, there we go. Come on, there's my dog. Ignore that, please. Oh my god, why can I not do a peaceful recording without noise? Second noise. Wait. First noise. Second noise. If you jump scare me, I'm gonna be sad. Okay, thank you. This is the cupcake. First noise. The second noise I want to. Frick. Oh god, that was so. Okay, I'm dead. Never mind, I'm good. First noise. Oh, come on! Second noise, flash. Wait. What? You're new? Was that golden? Wait. Was that golden Oh god. Okay, I don't remember if that was the second noise, but I don't care. I'm just gonna flash. I didn't expect Golden Freddy to appear that quick, dead. One noise. Oh god, no. No, this is not fair. I'm gonna die. He's right there, dude. Let me under the thing. Oh god, I'm dead. How did that make any sense? How do you want me to work with those? Can I get How do you want me to work with those two coming in like, hey, how are ya? I'm Freddy, blah blah blah. I don't know. I'm sweating already. I'm sweating like a motherfucker. I didn't mean to say that. Oh wait, maybe I can. Oh yes.
I have news.
Yeah, I have news for you. Can you not speak? Oh my god, my dog. I don't even remember this is part 3 or part 2. Blah, blah, blah. Wait, no, I think it's part 2 because I did the other one. I'm sweating really badly right now. One noise. But like I said, how do you want me? What should do? What do I do? What do I do against two people coming in at the same time? Well, 3. There was 3 because I got killed by Bonnie. Flash it. Go in. Music box. Rewind. Freddy, you're gonna be right in front of me probably in 3, 2, 1, 0. Never mind, I can done perfectly to see Balloon Boy speak. That was the first noise. Come on, man. Second noise. Flash it. Rewind. Freddy's gonna be in front of me. Probably in 3, 2, 1, 0. -0. Never mind. Oh, there he is. That's the first noise again. Okay, come on, Freddy. Come on. 3, 2, 1. Thank you. I forgot if that was volume second noise or first noise. Oh boy. You know what? I'm just gonna flash him. I don't remember. Those first noise already, dude. I see you, cupcake. I see you completely popped. Hold on. Hello? What? Hello? Wait, what was that? Wait, was that Golden Freddy on the screen? There's no way. Wait, don't jump scare me. Oh, I'm screwed. I'm screwed. I'm screwed. I think I saw Golden Freddy on the camera. Oh my god, why? Oh, I'll be right back again. Not that did. I need to replay that one to see if that was Golden Freddy on the camera, because if that was him, that was unexpected. Mute. I think if I let the phone call go, it might save me a little bit, I think. Huh. I just hope you all can hear me right now. The ones watching this video, because hi. Hello. Come on, wine. Flash it. Ready? Never mind. First noise. Now I'm afraid, because like I said, I don't know if that was a Golden Freddy on the screen, but if that was the case, I'm scared now. Can I flash it? Thank you. What? He was moonwalking. Hi. Let me reset you again, because I forgot if there was the second noise or not. One noise. Two noise. I think that was Mangle. First noise. I need to get ready now if Golden Freddy's head is gonna appear out of nowhere. Ooh, you were close. You were really close. One noise. Oh, come on. Oh, come on. Oh, this is not good. 1, 2, 3. This is not fair. There's the 3 of you. That's the second noise. I need to flash him, please. Flash. Thank you. Need to be ready. Was that all, Freddy? That's one noise. Second noise. Rewind. Why am I looking up? Come on, Freddy. If you're gonna show up, show up. That's one noise. Oh, come on. Hurry up. This is the second noise. Come on, hurry up. Hurry up. Hurry up. Palumbo is gonna screw me. Hurry up. Oh, you got to be kidding me. You got to be kidding me. Triple. Are you... Go. Flash it. Oh. Hi. Am I dead? No. Okay. This first noise, rewind, please. I don't. Oh, don't kill me, please. Don't kill me. I was fast. Come on. Oh, I didn't mean to say that. I know that I can censor it right now. Oh God, hurry up. Hurry up. Hurry up. Hurry up. Hurry up. Hurry up. Please. Please. Please hurry up. I'm dead. I'm dead. I'm dead. I'm dead. I'm dead. I'm dead. Yep, I'm dead. I'm screwed. I hate you all. I hate you. You know what? You know what? You know what? Just kill me. I'm dead already. Just kill me, chica. Come on. Come on, just kill me. Kill me. Thank you. Can you... What do you want me to do? The Balloon is going faster and faster every time. You know what? I'm just gonna leave it to here. Actually, I saw Golden Freddy. That was unexpected. That's all I know. Well, guys, I hope you enjoyed this part 3 video of Finance Creepy Nights Creepy Nights at Freddy's 2. Welcome back. I don't know. I hope you enjoy. If you like, subscribe, and if you want to see more, just click the bell. And thank you very much. I will see you in the next video. Potato.